Hi everyone! Today I'm going to harvest daylily shoots from my backyard. It is early spring, so the shoots are starting to come out. Did you know that the daylilies are edible? Yes, you can actually eat them. These plants are not just beautiful summer flowers, but you can actually eat all of it, all parts of it, from the flowers, the flower buds, the young stalks, down to the root tubers. I will talk about how they are eaten later, but right now, I will show you one way how to eat the baby shoots. So let's start harvesting. So here are my baby shoots, and let's start cooking. Make sure to rinse them well before you cook them to remove the dust. What I usually do, I cut them into 3 parts before cooking. We are ready to cook. Put some butter. Then I pour the shoots and cook them for like 1 or 2 minutes. Then I add salt and pepper. And that's it. It's ready. And now let's try. Looks so good. And it's delicious. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.